my god, we have to record this. Hey guys, our cat's being really funny. And I just wanted to say, you guys have to watch this.
It's water, Shadow. It's water. We know you don't like water.
No, we love water. He's getting a little bath, you see? If we just go get the... Oh, yeah, he's a boy. If you think he looks like a girl, he is a boy. Okay, let's get back to our video. So today, we're going to be making... Hey guys, welcome back to one of my videos. So today, we're going to be making French toast. Yeah, can you please...
There's chicken poop on that. Quit, cat.
And we have...
Cat likes the smell of chicken poop or something.
And we got ground black sugar,
Shadow.
vanilla flavored premium. Okay. More cinnamon. Sugar. And then we got a tub. You'll see what that is later in the video. Then we got 2 pans. So whenever we're doing this, you always make sure you're doing this the right way.
Don't forget milk.
Oh, and milk. If you're doing French toast. So gotta make sure, if you're a kid, if you're a teenager, you always gotta make sure have parent supervision. But if you're a grown-up, you can do this anytime. I don't care. So we're making French toast.
We're making French toast.
Yes, and this is right out of a hen, chicken, whatever.
Oh yeah, look at that. Some
See?
good stuff there. Look, we got some chicken poop on it.
Yeah, so you just have him. Watch this.
Chicken.
Hold on. Let me stir it to show them. But I can.
Put a little butter in the pan. Like so.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna be taking it out.
Alright. Bentley's taking it out of there. Alright, get the other one. So we can get some more on there.
And then watch this. This is what me and my dad like to do. We like to set it on the counter
Yeah, we're going to put it in the microwave.
to keep it
Warm.
Yeah. So now we'll take. Hold on. Can I do it now? Okay. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna pop you up. Oh dang it! That won't work. Where's a tripod that I can use?
I don't know.
Right here. I'm gonna be doing this. See? It's gonna be smoking. That's okay. And watch this. Me and my dad like to do this vent, and then you can do it. And then it's slow. So suck all the heat up in there.
French toast, Riley.
And then whenever we get most of the smoke up, we'll turn it off. Like that. Can I put this one in?
You can do that one over there.
Okay. I believe this pan, I'm going to get 2 French toast. Okay, here. Hey, Dad, you want to hold this camera for me real quick? So, this is what I know. We'll see whenever this is done. Well, ready to flip. Okay? So, let me show you them before we get them flipped. See them? Time to flip it.
Alright, let's go over here.
He'll flip them and then I'll put them onto the plate. Oh. That one's better than these. If you see them brown like this,
That one's pretty good.
they're pretty good. That means they're better. Are these done? Let's see. Yes, they are. Here, let me get a close up on this one.
That's pretty good, huh?
Yeah. If you see them black, that's bad, right?
Well, then they'd probably be burnt.
Yeah. Black is bad. But you see this one? This one almost got burnt. This one, let me feel. Oh yeah, that one's okay.
Some people like it. I mean, some people like their barbecue burnt. Some people might like their French toast burnt. I don't know.
I know, I don't like it either.
I like mine like this.
I like mine, my barbecue,
Nice and dark brown, crispy.
I like my barbecue stuff that I like cook like hamburgers, hot dogs, and all that. I like them like brown, but not like burnt. So I'll check them every few seconds. Still good.
What? All right.
First, we need to get the plate. Get the plate,
Let's
please.
get the plate.
And then, oh, that's kind of hot, actually.
Yeah, it's a stove. It's hot. French toast.
Dad, are you gonna share some of these with me? Okay, we're good.
Of course. All right, let's see.
And then we'll share it up.
Look.
I don't like it. It will be popping crazy. So whenever you're doing this,
Oh, this makes a mess too.
yes, it will.
Oh, you better make sure to clean it up, or you're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, if you're,
If I don't clean up my mess, I'm gonna get in trouble.
yeah, by his wife, right?
Yeah, by my wife.
She'll be this boy.
Oh, yes, she will my ass.
She'll make you outside for a while. Tell you to be good. Can you make sure to get this side? I can't really pick it up. Yeah, I can't pick it up. Yeah, he's flipping them. Dad, you want to tell them what you... Dad, can I tell you what you do with cars?
What?
Can I tell you what you do with cars? Like, oh yeah, my dad, this is his cooking channel. It's same with his car working and all that. He works on cars. Right now he's working on a 1969 Z28 Camaro. It's a very old Camaro, but they've moved. And what I'll do here, Dad, you want this milk? Riley, you want this milk?
It's a rare Camaro.
Yeah, it's a very rare one. And on some of our other, we're gonna get
It's
it.
not rare, but
It's not really rare, but
they didn't make many of them.
we do have
They
one.
make tens of thousands of them, but the
Yeah.
color combinations
It's really rare.
pretty rare.
But listen,
They
soon
say.
on my channel, soon in about a few months, whenever this thing gets healed, we'll be going. Soon we'll get the Okay, guys. So in a couple weeks, whenever I get my ankle healed,
Yeah, the ankle, the growth plate. Oh boy,
we'll maybe
it's flipper time.
soon me and my dad will be
Oh, two of them at once.
yeah, we'll show you with this one.
How do you do that?
How do you do that? That's amazing. Oh, I know how you do it. Hold on, let's show you this thing.
Let's see if we can do it on this one. Ready?
Yeah. Go. Ah!
It didn't work as well as it did on the other one.
Yeah. So soon there's this Jeep that we have. It's a very, very rare one. My dad can tell you about it in a second. And they only made about 3 to 4 of them.
They made 600 of them.
600 of them. And we got one of them.
It's a Renegade 2.
It's a Renegade 2. It's almost like an Army Jeep, is it? Basically. It's basically an Army Jeep.
Yeah.
So we do got an Army Jeep. We do have an Army truck. Kind of like an Army off-road thing. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be flipping these things. Checking if they're working. Hold on. You slice it. I have to do this.
A little bit longer.
A little bit longer. And so you'll turn it off.
I'll turn it off and I'll just let them cook there for a minute.
Yeah.
And then we'll be done in a minute. Just check those.
So I'm gonna set you up right here, and you're gonna watch us just. Oh dang it! I'm sorry, guys. I just messed up.
What do we got here?
We got 4 French toast,
4 French toast.
and let's see if they're done. So this is what I like to do. I like to slit them right here. See, they're slitted. And then I check them. Just check them. Dad, can you tell me if this is done?
Well, it's pretty done.
That's done. So get the stuff out.
All right, now we can eat.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. I'll put that up on.
Yeah, we can eat.
First, we're gonna put them up on here. We're kind of doing Jenga with French toast.
Jenga with French toast. Stack it up.
And then we're gonna eat them. We're gonna eat this kind of Jenga. Are you tired? Hey guys, welcome back to one of my videos. So today we're going to be showing you guys what French toast will look like whenever we do it. We put butter on it. I'll show you what kind of butter we put on it. It's really good butter. It's Country Fresh Taste Original. And only has 50 calories in it. It's not bad. And I put some syrup on mine.
Yeah.
And then,
Put some butter on them, cut them up.
here, let's show you how you do it.
We'll put some butter on it, and then we just
Kitty,
cut 'em up.
I'm ready to get the cat off.
Bam.
Yep.
Syrup.
We're going to eat real quick, and then we're going to go get the boys. And if you guys want to join us going getting the boys, we'll let you guys join to get the boys. The 2 big boys, and then we'll see you in a later.